Describe how competition is the fundamental feature of capitalist economy. How this is like important, because without competition you won't be able to stay in the capitalist economy, because everyone is like running for making the profit. So in order to stay, you must have the competition.
Yes,
And competition helps to make you or to be more better. That is why competition is very important here. Then next is differentiate between labor intensive technology and capital intensive. Labor intensive technology means where we are using more of labor force.
then machinery.
Yeah,
It is
then
called labor
machinery.
intensive.
Yes,
And,
machinery.
and capital intensive is more of machinery,
Machinery.
less of
Then
labor. Less of labor. Labor intensive is cheaper in compared to capital intensive, and capital intensive is costlier. So these are the two differences we can write. Calculate MP and AP. MP is TPN minus TPN minus 1. AP is TP by L. That is the MP and AP calculation. Then explain briefly the influence of improvement in technology of production upon individual supply of a commodity. So how like technical support? Technical support means increase in production. Increase in production results in increase in supply. That is what we have. Then this is again on the basis of the following schedule, answer the given question. Find out the equilibrium price and equilibrium quantity of the mangoes. So this is the equilibrium price and quantity, this particular thing, 800, 100. This is the place where we are getting both the quantity demanded and the quantity supplied equal. Then what is the next question? What happens when the price of the mango falls to ₹6? When the price of the mangoes falls to ₹6, the demand for the mango increases. As a result, supply for the mango decreases. That is what we found here. Then state two roles played by the development banks in achieving economic development for the country. First of all, helping to set up small scale enterprises. Secondly, increase the infrastructural potential of the country. These are the two features of development bank. 100% accuracy in statistics is neither possible nor desirable. Explain. Because the information or the data that we collect in order to resolve the particular situation or to get the solution to the particular problem, that is not fixed. It is being affected by the multiplicity of the causes. That is why we won't be able to get the accurate result. So whatever information we are getting, that is approximate to that, but not accurate. Then describe how the environment assimilates waste products. Environment has the absorptive capacity, and with that absorptive capacity, environment usually assimilates all the waste. But when this absorptive capacity exceeded, environment cannot able to absorb the waste or assimilates the waste products. Then suppose you had fallen very sick after eating dinner at a restaurant and had to be hospitalized. Under which consumer right will you file your complaint to get protection? Explain briefly. Your right will be right to safety. It is said that whatever product, whether you are eating or using, it must be safe. That means the manufacturer or the restaurant people follow all the guidelines for the safety provided by the government. So we must go for the Right to Safety Act, and we must ask the redressal from the particular restaurant. Then describe how wants arise and grow. This we have already done. Wants arise because of the changes in the economy. As a result, when there will be a change, when there will be a development, there will be a growth in the economy, which results to the rise in the wants. That is the basic thing. Then we have distinguish between developed economy and developing economy in 4 ways. First of all, developed economies does not have all the basic parameters. Sorry, developed economy is having all the basic parameters in order to survive. Developing economy does not have so. Developed economy is having proper employment opportunities. Developing economy is not having that. Developed economy has the rate of poverty, like they are having very less rate of poverty, and developing has a huge rate of poverty. Then fourth one is developed economy have a very good economic structure. Developing economy does not have so. So these are the basic differences. Law of diminishing marginal product means, as per this law, whenever we are like consuming a particular thing for many times, usually our attraction towards that commodity decreases, which is known as law of diminishing marginal utility, or sorry, marginal product. State the law of demand, name the factors that are assumed to be constant in case of an individual consumers. The law of demand states that in case, if there is an increase in the price, the demand for the commodity will fall. What are the factors that are need to be like fixed? Factors like technical thing, technology, and substitute goods, and that is cross price effect, cross commodity. Then we are having the market. These all things will be, there will be no change. Income of the consumer, these things will not be considered. Only the price of the demand will be considered. Explain the store of value function of money. Money can be stored for future use. It can be even like the money can even used for the credit transactions also. That is the store of value of money. Suppose you have purchased a motorbike, which insurance policy you take, and explain the process involved in the insurance policy taken by you. So you have taken a motorbike, so you will be taking automobile insurance. So first of all, you need to insure your vehicle, that is motorbike, with the insurance company, and then you need to pay the all the essential documentation need to be done. Then the payment of the premium will be fixed. How the statistical data are the basis of governmental policy. Statistical data gives the solution, like base in order to formulate the policies. So whenever we want to compare the previous year with current year, all these statistical data are helping us. That is why
Yes, ma'am.
yeah, that is why we can easily formulate the, means government can easily formulate the policy with proper basis. Then marks obtained, this is continuous method. Then give the basic formula to calculate arithmetic mean. Explain the 2 important precautions to be taken while using arithmetic mean. And British government responsible. Then on the basis of your daily life experience, analyze how the creation of infrastructure helps in promoting. How many questions we have? Okay. Describe the 3 ways in which we can contribute to sustainable development. Importance of primary sector, role played by intermediaries in agriculture during the British rule, and support price with Indian example, and important role played by various agencies around the world in stopping harmful effects of resources depletion and other environmental problems. All these things. Tomorrow we are going to start with this